You started on the carnivore diet. The weight was falling off at first, and you felt amazing. But now it's like your body hit pause. The scale hasn't moved in weeks. Your clothes feel the same, and you're asking yourself, what am I doing wrong? If you're a woman over 40, especially going through menopause, I want you to hear me. You're not broken. And the carnivore diet isn't failing you. What's happening is completely normal and fixable. Today, I am going to break down exactly why weight loss stalls for menopause women on Carnivore and what you can do to start seeing results again without starving, over-exercising, or giving up your favorite foods. You know, when I first started the Carnivore diet, the weight just dropped. I thought finally I found the magic bullet. But then it stopped. Weeks went by and nothing changed. My energy dipped, my cravings came back, and I felt frustrated. Oh dear. And the worst part, I thought it was me. I thought maybe menopause has ruined my metabolism. As in, it's something we just have to deal with. But here's what I learned. Menopause changes the rule of the game. You can't play the same rules you did in your 20s and 30s. The good news is you don't have to. You just need to adjust your strategy. Let's get into the science of why weight stalls during menopause on Carnivore. Number 1, hormones shift. As estrogen drops, our body becomes more insulin resistant, meaning it holds on to fat more easily. Lower estrogen also means fat storage shifts from the hips and thighs to the belly quite easily. Then we have to deal with progesterone, which declines. This affects our sleep, it affects our recovery, and then we have to deal with cortisol rising. And hello, stubborn belly fat, basically. Number 2 is the adaptation phase. At first on Carnivore, you would lose weight. It's called glycogen, water weight. And you may even lose some fat. But your body adapts and your appetite returns. You eat more, even without realizing it. Number 3 is protein versus fat confusion. This is a big one. A lot of women eat too much fat, like the butter, the tallow, the bacon, grease, because Carnivore allows it. But fat is very calorie dense, so we need to be mindful. Others would eat very little protein, thinking fat should do the work. But without enough protein, you lose muscle. And muscle is what drives fat burning. Remember that. Number 4 is lifestyle factors. Menopause means sleep gets harder. Poor sleep raises our cortisol, which blocks fat loss. Stress is another factor, which makes it worse. And if all you're doing is walking without strength training, because some of us do a lot of walking, you might actually be losing muscles instead of fat. This is why the stall happens for some people, or most people. But the good news is there's a way through it. So let's look at how to break this stall. And here's how to fix it. Number 1, and these are things that had worked for me. Number 1, prioritize your protein. Protein is the queen of nutrients, especially in menopause. Aim for 1.2 or 1.6 to 2.2 per kg of body weight per day. That means steak, fish, chicken, eggs, and less butter. You may need to reduce your butter and more actual food. And that leads me to number 2, which is dial down your fat. Fat is essential, but if your goal is to lose weight, you may need to experiment with dropping down your fat just to see that actually is working for me at this minute. Use fats that comes naturally with your meat. Add extras only if you're still hungry. Number 3, strength training is non-negotiable. Walking 15,000 steps a day will not protect your muscles. In fact, it might make you lose muscles. You need to lift at least 2 to 3 times a week. Focus on compound moves like the squats, the deadlifts, the presses. And get a trainer. They can tell you, they can customize a form of exercise for you that will work for you. You know, with strength training, it doesn't have to be heavy weights. Start small and then you can gradually increase your weights. You can do squats with body weights. You could do deadlifts with extremely light weights, but just make that move. Muscles is your metabolism. Without it, fat loss will always stall. So we need to exercise ourselves. And even if you want to go to walking, walk up hills. Do a lot of up hills walk. Number 4 is track your intake short term. I know tracking isn't fun, but sometimes you need to see the numbers. You may think you're eating 1,000, maybe 1,600 calories or so, but instead you're actually eating maybe more, i.e. 2,200. If you're tracking for a short period, it will give you an idea of how much you're consuming, and then you can make adjustments. They say if you can't measure it, you cannot improve it. So do track for a while. Number 5 is prioritizing sleep and stress. Sleep is fat loss gold. Without it, your hormones fight you. Hey. Magnesium, consistent bedtime routines, and even simply lowering your caffeine can make a huge difference. I say magnesium because I've started using magnesium most evenings, and that helps relax me. I'll put the one I use now on the screen here. It may work for you, it might not work for you. But with these type of things, if you need to speak to your doctor, please do so before adding any or using any type of additional vitamins, especially if you're taking other medications. So bear that in mind. Number 6 is be patient with hormones. They have to be, ladies. This is important. Menopause doesn't mean you can't lose weight. It means the process may be slower. I mean, that's what I'm experiencing. Focus on body composition. Even if the scale doesn't move, if your waist is shrinking and your strength is growing, you are winning. Now, let's look at how it looks in real life. Instead of ribeye for every meal, maybe you have scallion or chicken tights sometimes. Instead of butter to coffee, get those calories from your steak or eggs. Instead of endless cardio, spend 30 minutes lifting twice a week. Instead of obsessing over the scale, take progress photos, measure your waist, and track your strength. That's eating and living like a woman over 40 who understands her body, not fighting it, but working with it. So here's the takeaway. If you're in menopause and weight loss has stalled on Carnivore, it's not because you are broken, it's because your body needs a smarter approach. Prioritize protein. Moderate fat if weight loss is your goal. Lift weights to protect your metabolism. Sleep like it's your job. And remember, slow progress is still progress. The first drop on Carnivore is exciting, but the real win, it's in the staying the course and making these smart adjustments. Because your body isn't working against you. It's just asking you for the right strategy. And once you give it that, you will not only lose fat, you gain strength, confidence, energy that lasts well beyond menopause. And that's where we want to be, ladies. So don't give up. Adjust, eat smarter, and watch your body thank you for that. If you have found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share your experience in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.